A white gravel path winds through a shady garden with ferns and a gray boulder. Trees filter sunlight over a wooden fence, creating a serene, green atmosphere. At dusk, glowing stepping stones cross a dark pond, reflecting warm lights. Spotlights illuminate brick walls and tall trees, creating a magical, mysterious, and tranquil garden atmosphere. This serene Japanese garden features raked white sand patterns, mossy rocks, and a pruned bonsai. A wooden building overlooks the sunny, minimalist, and tranquil landscape. Stone pillars frame a manicured garden path leading to a grand brick estate. Striped lawns and mature trees surround the walkway, basking in dappled sunlight and serenity. A symmetrical paved path flanked by conical topiary and hedges leads to a classical manor. Under a bright blue sky, the scene exudes elegance, grandeur, and tranquility. Flowering wisteria vines cascade from a pergola in this serene Japanese garden. Bonsai trees, mossy rocks, and a gravel path create a texture-rich landscape of natural tranquility. Golden sunset light bathes a winding stone path lined with white flowers. Dense trees canopy the route toward a charming brick house, evoking a peaceful, inviting retreat. Dramatic spotlights illuminate a central bonsai and stone lantern in this night garden. The deep blue sky contrasts with warm lights, highlighting textures within the serene enclosure. A winding stepping stone path leads to a white pergola draped in purple wisteria. Riverstones and lush greenery surround the walkway, enclosed by a classic white fence. Rectangular stone pavers lead past rounded bushes toward a modern art installation of glowing suspended orbs. A dark hedge frames the lawn, blending sophisticated design with nature. Stepping stones with warm lights cross a still pond adorned with white lilies. Spotlights illuminate trees and stone walls against a twilight sky, creating a magical atmosphere. Sunbeams filter through dense trees onto a winding stone path lined with white flowers. A rustic building with a brown roof peeks through the greenery, suggesting tranquility. A pebble path curves past hostas and a gray boulder in this lush garden. Mature trees cast dappled shadows over the green ground cover and stone wall. Sunlight dapples a winding stone path through a tapestry of rich green foliage. A charming brick building is visible in the background, offering a secluded, inviting retreat. A wisteria-draped pergola shades a mosaic stone path in this Japanese garden. Bonsai trees and mossy rocks sit before a colorful backdrop of diverse trees and sunlight.